Relieve cough naturally with cooked garlic. Say goodbye to persistent coughs with a natural remedy, cooked garlic. Known for its powerful health benefits, garlic has been used for centuries to soothe respiratory issues and strengthen immunity. How it works. Cooking garlic releases allicin, a compound that has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties which help fight the root causes of cough. Boosts immunity. Rich in antioxidants and sulfur compounds, garlic supports your body's defense system. Gentle on the stomach. Cooked garlic is easier to digest, making it a great option for sensitive individuals. How to use. Roast or lightly sauté garlic cloves and eat them warm. Pair it with a spoonful of honey for added soothing effects. Quick tip. Consuming cooked garlic daily can help prevent respiratory issues during cold seasons. Try this natural remedy today and experience relief. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.